that it for you today then?
Plum Clothing Store has been around for almost 30 years, and they've come out with this line of Vancouver-inspired t-shirts for locals and Olympic tourists.
And we wanted it really local, so we made the t-shirts here in Vancouver, had them made, had them printed, had them packaged in Vancouver.
I think they represent Vancouver and British Columbia. Very appropriate, and I'm proud of them because they aren't like other touristy gifts.
And it's very Vancouver, isn't it? They're not your tourist kind of t-shirt. They are a souvenir of Vancouver though, and that's what we wanted.
The fast approaching 2010 Games will not only drive up demand for official souvenirs, they'll also give BC businesses the chance to get their products on the international stage.
Businesses in the city should be thinking about being host to the Olympics and should try to find something to offer to our visitors that speaks of their business as well as the place that we live.
I'm Bianca Salterbeck in Vancouver for Powered to Win.